Do you speak English? Or are you someone who's afraid of speaking in English? Most of us are aware of the words, understands them, and the words are still in our head, but are still reluctant to speak in English because of the fear people judging us or making fun of us if we are wrong. Do not worry, my friends. In this video, we'll be learning how to speak English fluently, and when I say so, trust me guys, it's much easier. All you need to do is to give it a try. The content for today's video is what are the common mistakes one make? Secondly, we'll discuss the tips to speak fluently, and lastly, as usual, I'll be giving you some bonus tips. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Garima Singh signing in for today's video. But before I start today's video, the shout out from my previous video goes to Vanchika and Nitanya. Now without wasting much of the time, let's quickly get into the video and learn how to speak English fluently. Now let's discuss what are the common mistakes that one makes. The mistake number one here is having a fear. The fear of people judging you or making fun of you. Guys, take out this fear and throw it away. Remember, your aim is to learn and evolve and not to think about random people. So do not let this fear to act as an obstacle in the way of your learning. Second common mistake here is people think in order to speak a language, one should be aware of the grammar or the rules of a particular language. By this I mean, most of us are very fluent and confident when it comes to Hindi language. Now, I have one question for you all. Did someone give you the rule book or the grammar book of this language, saying that these are the rules that you should be following while speaking this language? And I now know the answer. The answer is no. Then how have you learned this language? You have learned this language from your parents, from your surroundings, and you have been grabbing the new words, understanding them, and are been practicing these words in your day-to-day life. Guys, similar is the case with the English language. One can always listen, learn from the surroundings, grab new words, understand their meaning, and practice them on their day-to-day basis. Guys, mark my words, this activity will help you a lot in speaking this language more fluently and more confidently. Third common mistake is that in order to cover one's shyness, one tend to give lame reasons. Reasons like I do not belong to a family where people speak this language, or my group of friends are not familiar with this language. How can I practice it? Guys, I have a suggestion for you all. You can always talk to 2 to 3 of your friends who are willing to learn this language and decide that 6 days a week we'll be speaking this language no matter how bad we speak. Fourth common mistake here is finding a shortcut. Remember, it is not as easy as taking a pill to cure your disease. There is no shortcut to any success. In order to be successful in speaking fluently in English, one should practice this language on your day-to-day life. It's time for the tips that will help you to speak this language fluently. Tip number 1 of the day here is learning basic words. By this I mean you can learn the basic words in English, like what is the word which we use for khana? It's eating. What is the word we use for padna? It's studying. These are some of the basic words that everyone uses in their day-to-day life. So try and learn the new basic words and try and replace your Hindi words with these words. Now, once you are done with learning the basic words, now you can switch on to reading English newspapers, watching English series, or listening to English music with the subtitles. From here, you can grab new words in your life and incorporate those words in your day-to-day life. Tip number 2 here is start thinking in English. By this I mean, the day you will start thinking in English, this language will become very easy for you to speak. For example, your day schedule follows as brush, shower, study, friends. You can form the sentence around these keywords like first I'll brush my teeth, then I'll take shower, until late in the afternoon I'll study, and in the evening I'll go out and play with my friends. This was the one example how you can start thinking in English. Similarly, you can again use the same process for the other activities of your day. This will help you to speak this language very fluently. Tip number 3 here is to speak slow. Speaking slowly will help you to get the clarity of words, improve the fluency, reduce the filters like and boost in the confidence. Tip number 4 here is to notice and practice. By this activity, I mean you please follow a personality or a personality who is a good orator. This will help you to learn a lot about the body language, about the certain pronunciation of the words, the style of speaking, and also you can mimic or copy them. This is such a fun way of learning this language, and I'm sure you all will enjoy this activity. Tip number 5 here is to join meetups, groups, or participate in the activities like debate, speech competition, etc. All these activities will help you to conquer your fear of speaking English. It's time for the bonus tip. Guys, listen to this tip very carefully as this is a very interesting tip and I'm sure you all will love it. What one can do in order to practice and speak fluently is that while placing any order or any type of complaints, or suppose you are talking on any helpline number, make sure you choose your language as English medium. By this, now you will be talking to the person on the phone in the English language. And here, while speaking, you do not have a fear that the person will mock you or judge you on the bad English. Therefore, this activity will help you a lot in enhancing your speaking skills and you do not have a fear of being judged. Before I end this video, I have a fun activity for all of you. You guys need to comment down in the comment section which of the above tip you liked the most, along with the hashtag economics window by Garima Singh. And the best comment will get a shout out in my next video as well as on my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please do not forget to press in the thumbs up icon, and also guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, as this will mean a lot to us.